Lasok na ilaw ha.
Someday the world will silence its roar, and I'll be waiting by an open door for you to step inside. The stars.
We're going on a tour. Today is tour day, guys. Punta kami sa mga sure. Saan tayo first stop? Luna. Basta sa Luna area. Imuki Island, Baluarte, Pebble Beach, Man-Made Forest, and everything. Hi guys! We're at the Man-Made Forest. Yeah. Let's go! Oh my gosh! Look at the beach. Wow! Baluarte Tower. So many people. Sure. Eh, dalawa yung POV ko. Sobrang ginit, kaso. Ito, si ate. Anong tao? Sobrang dami. Sobrang dami ng tao. Nag-picture sila. LU post pad. Ooh, look at this. Freshly tapped. Ganon.
Tapos taas kamay ka, ma'am. Tapos kaway-kaway po, kaway. Yan. Okay, A naman po, A. Yan. Okay, kaway-kaway lang po kayo. Okay, pagbalik po, flying kiss naman po, flying kiss. Okay, kaway-kaway lang po kayo kung kaway-kaway.
Hi guys, tapos na kami sa sa Baluarte and galing na kami sa Namamakpal Church. Namamakpal Church. Next stop, and now we're going to bahay na ba to? Bahay na ba to? Di pa. Namakpakan. Namakpakan. Sorry. Namakpakan Church. May sila ba? Oh my gosh. Anyways, dito na kami sa bahay na ba to. May entrance fee na 50 pesos. Okay. We're here.
May museum, may art gallery.
Ooh. Nice. Merong museum, art gallery, Pebble Beach. Okay. Oh, this is cute. Ay, gusto ko dito. Picture.
Classic.
The family that
Yan mo na lang,
travels
picture na
together are happy forever.
Yan na.
Sige, go. Gusto niya mag-picture dito sa ano. The family that travels together are happy forever.
Yes, Kim Jenny.
So we're going to there. We're going to there? We're going there. Where this leads. Anong ginagawa nito?
What are you doing?
Mukha siya. May face.
Ay, sorry.
Oh, Palis. Tingnan mo. Let's follow the
calories.
Dito tayo kakain?
Sarap dito.
I don't know.
Pwede naman. May coffee shop. May coffee shop, may main house. May mga funny siya. Ayun pa oh. May wishing well?
Eh, pwede picturean mo lang ako.
Ay. May people dito sa loob ng house. We're going inside the bahay na ba to? I think ito na nga yan.
Of footage. And
I like the tree.
wala pa kami sa Ancol.
It's nice. Ang bonfire. Ito yung bahay na ba to? Okay. That's the house. And this is a Pebble Beach. Ooh. Punta na tayo sa Pebble Beach. Puro siya pebble. Wow. Oh my gosh. let's go eat.
Hi guys. Tulong kita from outside.
We're done taking pictures in that area.
Ay, additional pa. Magkano? Money total is 487.
Look at my tattoo. Spanish latte. Lasang Spanish. Meron daw doon. Main house. Dito daw? Hindi, ang kanan daw meron. Dito daw? May food.
Question. My question is, anong pinaka gusto mong part or like lugar na pinuntahan natin?
So far today, for me, I think yung Pebble Beach. Kundi lang super mainit. Kasi nagustuhan ko yung yung beach. And the sound of the water hitting the stones. Maganda siya. The vibes is good. Ano ba iba natin pinuntahan?
Baluarte. Tapos church. Bago nga yung church. Baluarte. Ako din, pinakagusto ko yung Pebble Beach. So good.
Excited ako sa Tangadan Falls. Because I'm already so ready.
Dito di kami nakapasya doon sa museum. Pagod na siya. Order? Nag-order ako ng strawberry sunrise sa bahay na pato. I rated 10 out of 10.
So, what did you order?
I ordered seafood platter with rice.
Yeah. Ako, lechong paksiw.
Mine is beef broccoli. It's so masabaw and masarsa. Lechon paksiw. Beef broccoli.
Lechon paksiw and iced tea.
Lechon paksiw with a little bit of
Kasi natapon yung yung drinks ko.
Sino bumalik sa Earth?
Sabi nung girl, nahulog ko yung kape ko, sabi niya, oh no, bumalik sa Earth.
Mine is strawberry sunrise. I rate it 10 out of 10.
Oh, masarap. Dapat yan ang in-order ko. Magpahena. Sa La Union. Oh, yan lang, Imoque Island. Yun lang. Kasi init na, guys. Ano gagawin? Init eh. Wala na kung energy. Holy shit.
Tama na? Kapit?
Okay, we're done.
Mabalik na rin.